Hi, welcome to my kitchen again. This is in response to April. I know you've got a last name and some numbers, who asked a question on the podcast. My podcasts are here on YouTube, so if you want to go listen, I'm going to reply to April. But she wanted to know if I could do my laundry detergent recipe. So I'm going to make laundry detergent for you. Here's the question. Do you really save money making your own laundry detergent? I mean, I know you save chemicals and fragrances and, you know, a lot of things that your body, microplastics if you're using pods. You save a lot of those things, you know, from interfering with hormones and skin, etc. But do you save money? My answer, yes. And I'll even do the math and I'll give you the recipe. So come on. Let's make some laundry detergent. Okay, first let's introduce you to all the players invited to the party. First and foremost, you're going to need some type of food processor that has the shredder and the S-blade, okay, because you're going to use both. I'll set this up now. Shredder first. You are going to need a container that's going to be big enough to hold all of it. It needs to be airtight, just to keep it from clumping. And then our other players. I know a lot of people like Feld's naphtha. Yes, said it right. And I will give you a link where to find that. I like Zote simply because it is cheaper, it is softer, and when you end up with little nubbies at the end after shredding it, they're great to scrub on an actual stain. So I keep the nubbies in my laundry room to scrub on the stains that I know are a little bit more stubborn. I also like the smell of this. It's got very limited ingredients. And if you read Spanish, you know, you're doing better than me. But I do know the ingredients. It's very limited. A slight lemongrass scent. They also have a pink one that does well also. So Zote soap is my favorite for this. It is also twice the size as Feld's naphtha. From what I've heard, you can use ivory soap. Haven't tried it. Probably won't, because that's kind of my go-to. 1 cup of baking soda, not powder. 2 cups of borax. This is an option. Let me move that out of the way. And 2 cups of laundry booster. This right here is your basic. Okay. I do add 1 cup of color safe bleach just because it tends to help my laundry get a little bit brighter, a little bit whiter. Last but not least, I'll explain why. Grab yourself a paper plate or flexible cutting board. Both of those will work because you want to be able to empty your contents here to exchange the S-blade, and you want to be able to have something as a chute to travel into here when you get done. So I use a paper plate because I'm cheap. Okay, let's get started. Pro tip, just so you know, most pro tips come from making mistakes. Make sure you're on the side where the shredder is up. You know, not the slicer. If you've got one like this, just make sure. Let's not go into why I know that's important. I hope you're picking up my sarcasm. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing here. We're just going to shred this up real quick and then move on to step 2. Let me also clarify, you are welcome, by all means, to do this by hand with a grater. And it won't take you terribly long because, like I said, this is a softer soap than Feld's naphtha. You might end up with a little stack of stuff like this. Because this is soft, I've got another one from before. You can mold it into like a little crayon that you just color onto a stain. And then that way this goes directly soap right onto your stain to help get out stubborn stains. I have not had anything that this did not take out. It's worth keeping these little extra guys that don't shred up. All right, now look how pretty that is. Okay, we're going to dump this onto a plate and go on with the S blade. Borax, laundry booster, baking soda, and I do use some color safe bleach. Because I'm putting it back here, I needed a little bit more substance than the paper plate would offer, so that I could get everything into the shot for you. We're going to alternate these so that you can see how it turns into a great powder. Because of the capacity of my, this is a food processor, because of the capacity of it, I have to do about half of the ingredients at a time. So I've done about half of everything, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into here and then do it again. Okay, so here's where paper plate comes in very handy. You can see that everything is broken up and ground into a fine powder. I could have gone just a little bit longer, but I think everything's broken up really good. We're going to guide this stuff into the container with the paper plate. Oddly, this is the least messy of the three things that we do. And then do the rest of the batch. I'll show you how much it makes. Here's another tip. If you don't like to alternate like I just did, you can put it in all your ingredients in here. Just, however will fit the capacity of your food processor. But the flakes tend to rise to the top, so you're going to have to do it like this. Oh. See what rises to the top. See if they rise to the top. And if they do, go high and shake it. Okay, there you have it. I did find my scoop. We use maybe 4 of these a week. Sometimes it's a quick half load, just a small load. Sometimes it's a full load. Maybe you use 4, maybe 6 maximum a week. And this will last us 6 months. So we're getting approximately, with the ingredients that I use, because I do put in the other color safe bleach, probably about 6 cents a scoop. So maximum 12 cents for a regular size load. And your Also, of course, welcome to add any type of essential oils, but make sure you're doing it while the dry ingredients are spinning in your food processor so that there's no clumps of oil that will get on your clothing. I don't put these in there just because we have perfectly soft water, and I just like the smell, very, very faint smell that the Zote soap gives it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and get a notice when I put that out to ask for some feedback about the dishwasher tab. That'll be coming up soon.